Here's a tour of my garden this year, 2024. These are the tomato plants. They're on a cart. I don't know if you can even see it, but they're... Originally I was going to move them, but now they're so big that if I move them, it'll damage them. These are nasturtiums, catmint. I have them wrapped in roofing shingles because this felt material gets algae growing in it. It's really awful. And then gnats go for the algae and it's really bad. Here's the nasturtiums. My son's called leaves lily pads. More nasturtiums. More nasturtiums. I learned that butterflies will actually, the white butterflies that go for broccoli and cabbage, they'll lay eggs on it. I've seen it myself. And something is definitely eating these, so I imagine that's what it is. My catnip plants. One thing I didn't know is that they seem to grow outwards they don't grow tall. They seem to grow outwards and just spill over whatever container they're in, which I didn't know. These here are my pepper plants. They're, starting to get flowers. Another tomato plant in a shingle wrapped pot. Another pepper plant. These are my son's cucumbers. They were transplanted and almost died, and I have them covered up just to reduce the amount of sunlight that they get, so they have a better chance of living. More catmint, more nasturtiums. This here is liatris. Butterflies go for it. And this here's neat. I can't remember the name of it. I think it's verbena. The leaves stay down low, and the flower stalks raise above the ground really high. So you almost don't even know that there's a plant. Your eyes just catch these flower stalks, and they'll get bigger and more of them as summer goes on. And I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. I do have some dill, but I'll show you. This is kind of neat here. This is what's it called? Jeez, I can't remember the name. But passion fruit is made from it. Maybe it's just called passion flower. And it's not supposed to live this far north in Michigan. And what it's doing, it completely dies back in the winter, but then the roots spread out underground. And here's one way away from the plant. This is like 6 feet away from the plant, and it is spread out. Here's another one underground. So this might be a really bad invasive plant to grow. It's Passiflora incarnata. But it has neat flowers. They're not out right now. Oh, here's one. Here's one that's out. Yeah, Passiflora incarnata. And bumblebees like to sleep at nighttime on these flowers. It's really incredible. I'll often see 1 or 2 bumblebees on each one of these flowers. And they're really growing like crazy. I think it's going to be invasive, and it's going to be out of control. and it's gonna be spreading underground, and I might have to spray weed killer to kill it. I don't know. It's just really growing everywhere. And that's about it for this year. Yeah.